and the gate. And they're off. Here's Louisiana Blues heading out toward the lead for E.J. Paradin. Nick Star at the rail. On the outside, Pleasant Choice and Natawaki gets position to the turn, where Louisiana Blues leads Nick Star. On the outside, Pleasant Choice and Natawaki is close up with Sea of Z's. And there's the newcomer C. McHale also quick to join. These leaders are well grouped, and T-Cita also close. Nick Star now settled along at the rail in the yellow cap. Then we come back to Piano Rules running toward the back half of the field. At the inside is Z-Spot and I'd Be Collins. The first quarter, 25-1. 5 furlongs to go. On the inside, Pleasant Choice vying for the lead with Natawaki. Pleasant Choice and Natawaki together on the outside. Close up there is C. McHale with COZ's in fourth. Louisiana Blues close up at the fence. That's the gray Louisiana Blues. Now they have 4 furlongs to go. T-Cita is wide, followed at the inside by Nick Star. Piano Rules, A-lengths off the leader going into the far turn. Then Z-Spot and I'd Be Collins. Half mile and 50-2. Around the far turn, Pleasant Choice in front. Pleasant Choice leads C. McHale, who's close up. Toward the inside, Natawaki under pressure. T-Cita being driven and put to pressure above the quarter pole. Louisiana Blues at the rail. And then Nick Star angled out. Far outside is Z-Spot and Piano Rules. Top of the stretch. 3 quarters, 116-1. Pleasant Choice in front. Miguel Mena and Pleasant Choice coming down toward the furlong grounds. Louisiana Blues now takes a crack at Pleasant Choice. Then C. McHale in third. I'd Be Collins has rallied to fourth. Pleasant Choice and Louisiana Blues. Louisiana Blues and Pleasant Choice. Louisiana Blues just. Louisiana Blues prevails over Pleasant Choice narrowly. I'd Be Collins third, beaten by 6 lengths, and C. McHale finished fourth.